Why are pharmacies closing, drug prices skyrocketing, and why does it seem harder than ever to get your hands on essential medications? From rural towns losing their last pharmacy to major cities where the cost of life-saving drugs keeps climbing, this is a crisis that affects millions of people. First up, let's talk about drug shortages. Why is it that when you need something as basic as insulin or antibiotics, you're suddenly on a weeks-long wait list? Manufacturing problems, disruptions in the supply chain, and increased demand are all playing a role. The pandemic made it worse, and now, even critical drugs are in short supply. And if that wasn't bad enough, even when the drugs are available, prices are through the roof. You've probably noticed your prescriptions costing more, right? Well, that's because pharmaceutical companies are hiking up prices, especially for specialty drugs like cancer treatments and biologics. Sometimes the price increases are due to the high cost of research and development, but often it's just about profits. But don't worry, legislation is starting to catch up. Governments are working on new laws to make generic drugs and biosimilars more accessible. These alternatives could save you thousands. Now let's talk about a hidden danger: pharmacy closures. Rural areas are being hit the hardest, as big chains like CVS and Walgreens are shutting down locations. When pharmacies close, communities lose access to more than just medication. They lose healthcare advice, vaccination sites, and essential health services. But here's some good news. Independent pharmacies are making a comeback, especially in underserved communities. These smaller local pharmacies are stepping up where big chains have left a void. So, what can you do? Stay informed, ask your pharmacist about generic alternatives, and support your local pharmacies. Together, we can push for better legislation and more affordable drugs. Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on healthcare, and let us know in the comments. Have you noticed a drug shortage or price hike where you live?